So today I wanted to, one more time, run through all the different types of equations that we have solved and what's going to be expected for you to do on your test tomorrow. This will be a very short test, and I am expecting you guys to work these out by hand, take a picture, either with your Chromebook or a smartphone, and submit those pictures. If you do one picture for the whole page, or if you do pictures for each individual problem, that's fine too. Just make sure that those pictures get taken and submitted to me in Google Classroom. We're going to do this a little bit different, where you guys work it out and put in your answer, and then the video will continue on if you get it right. So, solving a one-step equation, you literally have one step of arithmetic to do to solve this. So the whole point of solving an equation, the whole reason we do this is to get the variable by itself. So if you notice there's one variable here on the right, the x, I need to move everything else that's on the same side of the equal sign to the other side of the equal sign. So the x is going to stay put. I'm not going to touch him. The 16 has got to go. So I'm going to add 16 to get rid of the negative 16. Add 16 on the left. That leaves me a negative 7 on the left equals x on the right. Right? I call these two-step equations because you have two steps of arithmetic to do to solve for the variable. Give it a shot. So I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides of the equal sign. That leaves my 3m on the left equals 3 on the right. Divide out the 3. Variable is 1. Using the distributive property, you have to multiply through by the negative 8 to get rid of the parentheses and then carry out the problem from there. I'll give you a minute to do that. So when I distribute, negative 56 minus 24b equals negative 152. Again, this equal sign cuts your equation in half, so piece by piece, I'm going to get rid of the things over here on the left with the variable. Oops, add 56. That is negative 96. Divide by negative 24. B is positive 4. Combining like terms. You've got more than one variable or like term that you can combine. They're on the same side of the equal sign. They're both on the left. So I'm going to subtract those just the way it says. 8n minus 2n. That is 6n. Drop down the 6 equals negative 24. Add 6. Add 6. 6n is negative 18. Divide out the 6. N is negative 3. Right, combining like terms when they're on opposite sides of the equal sign. I've got an x term on the left and an x term on the right. I need to bring those together. Grab the smaller variable and move it. So that leaves me a 1x. I've got these terms here that I can combine at the same time. And now I've got a two-step equation. Divide out the 1 if you want to, but it doesn't change your answer. Negative 7.